Are you looking to convert OneNote to PDF? We've got you covered. We'll show you 2 easy methods for convert OneNote to PDF. Let's see the manual method to export OneNote to PDF. Using the Save As option, open OneNote, go to File, then Export, and select Current Page. Choose PDF as the file format, click Export, and then Save. Now let's check the Pro method to convert OneNote to PDF. That's where the BitRecover OneNote Converter Wizard comes in. Just visit the official BitRecover website and download our OneNote to PDF converter. Launch the software, and click Next to begin. Add OneNote files or folders. Select the files you want to export, choose PDF as saving format, set the destination path, and lastly, click Convert. Let's have a look at the comparison between the manual and professional methods. And that's all for this video. Visit the given product link today to download the product. For any queries, email us at support@bitrecover.com.